Let's talk about a messenger-style bag built for all the weathers. I hope you enjoy this stop-motion review created in collaboration with my kids. I'm a big fan of backpacks for carrying your camera gear. I think it's the most comfortable way to do so. But when you need quick access to your gear, they are less than perfect, even if they have slick features like my MindShiftGear's backlight bag. Nothing beats a messenger for quick access to your gear, but it's important for me to have a messenger bag that offers all-weather protection. This is the Exposure 15. It's a storm-resistant carrying solution for the adventurous photographer. You've got high-performance, waterproof sailcloth panels, strategically placed storm flaps, and a sturdy, completely waterproof bottom. Means no worry, no matter what the weather and no matter where you set it down. And if it gets really bad, you could throw on a completely waterproof cover. The Exposure 15 is a big bag and is going to devour more gear than you probably want to carry on a single shoulder. You've got customizable dividers, and it's deep enough to stack shorter lenses. Expandable pockets and an internal pocket give you organization and a good bit of flexibility in how you lay out this bag. You also have an internal pocket for a 15-inch laptop and an outside zipper pocket that nicely fits smartphones. A side pocket will hold a water bottle, and on the other side of the bag you've got a connector that supports the spider holster or peak design capture clip systems. The adjustable shoulder strap is padded, which helps when you load in more than you should, and when you start seriously moving, a crossbody strap stabilizes everything. My only complaint here, I wish the shoulder strap was a bit wider and a bit more padded to help distribute those heavier loads. Still, this is my new favorite travel bag. It easily fits under the airplane seat and holds everything I need for a long flight. The inclusion of a luggage handle pass-through is great when you want to get it off your shoulder. If you're an outdoor photographer and want or need quick access to your gear, I can recommend the Exposure 15 or smaller Exposure 13. If you found this stop-motion review helpful, give it a quick thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for future gear reviews, tips, tricks, and travel videos. Thanks for watching.